Sparkling water versus soda. Understanding the basics.
Sparkling water and soda are both fizzy carbonated drinks, but they're not created equal. Sparkling water is usually just carbonated water, sometimes with natural flavors, while soda includes added sugars, artificial flavors, and often caffeine. Understanding these basic differences is key to deciding which drink better supports your health and wellness goals.
Nutritional content. What's inside each drink?
Soda typically contains high amounts of added sugars or sweeteners, contributing to increased calorie intake. In contrast, most sparkling waters have 0 calories, little to no sugar, and no artificial additives. Always check the label. Some flavored sparkling waters may contain small amounts of sweetener, while unflavored sparkling water is usually free of additives.
Health impacts, short and long term.
Regular soda consumption is linked to weight gain, tooth decay, and a higher risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Sparkling water, being sugar-free, avoids these issues but may still erode tooth enamel if consumed in excess, especially if it's acidic or citrus-flavored. Moderation and good dental hygiene are key for both choices.
Hydration and daily wellness.
Both drinks can help quench your thirst, but plain sparkling water is just as effective at hydrating you as still water. Soda, especially caffeinated varieties, may have mild dehydrating effects. If your goal is daily hydration, sparkling water is a healthier and more refreshing alternative to sugary sodas.
Choosing wisely. Making the healthier swap.
If you're trying to cut back on sugar or improve your overall wellness, switching from soda to sparkling water is a simple change with big benefits. Enjoy sparkling water plain or with a splash of fruit juice for variety. Opt for unsweetened versions to ensure you're making the healthiest choice for everyday refreshment.